part 2, range of motion tests. I want you to look at these in this order. So the first test is difficulty, restriction, or pain when reaching overhead. So like reaching for a shelf. So just going to have Mike here reach above his head. Anything like this, if you're reaching and you feel discomfort, that would be a positive sign. The second one here, difficulty reaching behind your back. So I'm going to turn Mike towards this wall. If he's reaching behind his back, first of all, you should be able to do that motion. If you cannot get into this motion, that is a red flag for shoulder dysfunction. Number 3, pinching or pain when reaching across your chest. So a good test to do here is either outstretched arm coming across, feeling the pinch here. So that's across your body. The other one, which is a good test here, is to reach to your opposite shoulder and then bring your elbow to your forehead. If you're feeling any pain or discomfort with that or lack of range, that's a positive sign. The next one here, pain or pinching when reaching above shoulder height. So that goes with the first one when reaching overhead. But as you start to reach, if you feel the pain, pinching, or you cannot get your arm past 90 degrees, which would be right here, that's an indication for dysfunction.